G'day guys, we are back today in the chop shop obviously, and we are going to assess the damage from Keep It Reet Drift Event. Now I've when I got home I had ants in my pants and I really wanted to open the door just to see how easy it was. I'm definitely not going to shut it again to show you what I did, but long story short, I got a tyre lever down in there and literally pushed the handle. Can't remember if it was down or up, but yeah, literally it's just a rod there, you just push it and it just unclips. And yeah, so the door's open now. Obviously can't go all the way because it's hitting the guard at the front. So now I'm just going to quickly rip the front off the guard. Shouldn't have to take the rear quarter off, although I'll take that down to Luke and just show him, because it did get a big crack here. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see what he thinks. He might want to fix it. He might want to leave it. I'm pretty keen to leave it, but we'll see. No, he'll want to fix it. Alright, he already has a new door, already in primer. So I just got to go get a new window and probably a new window motor and all that stuff, because that'd be all bent and whatever, because it was a big old hit. But the biggest problem we have is that sill panel. That looks bad. So anyway, let's get cracking. I'll quickly rip all this off and then we'll have a good look at it. So there's the side skirt damage. It's not really that bad, it's fiberglass, it's bent back sort of already. But this is what I was scared of. Look at that seal panel. That is very bent. That's really bad. So, has it hit the cage? No, cage is still good. So I'm going to have to take the seat out and I'm going to have to take the whole car to Born Again so Luke can try and pull that all back out again. That's a big job. Well, big job for me, small job for Luke. Sorry, Luke. So anyway, I'll take the skirt down to him now. I might just buzz that quarter off, let him have a look at it. And yeah, that door, I obviously got to take this guard off so I can get the door off, but that'll pretty much go up on his wall, I think. He can keep that one. I might just sign it and say thanks heaps. And that'll be a good memory for him. Well, yeah, in the future it'll be a good memory. It's not a good memory to have right now. But anyway, let's go see Luke. Let's run this stuff to his shop straight away. Oh, crap. Frank's dead. Poor dude. Man, he'd been living in there for freaking ages. I hope you're dead, buddy. Yeah, he's dead. And he's probably dead because it is 45 degrees today. Not even joking. I'll even prove it. Actually, the car is saying 40 bloody 9. Whew. And it's going to be hotter tomorrow. Alright, yeah. Sorry, interruption there. Let's go to Luke's. Born Again Restorations. Alright, so we're at Born Again now, and Luke already knows about the damage, or he hasn't seen it, so hopefully he's happy with this. Sorry, buddy. It didn't actually turn out that bad. It looked a lot worse in the video and then obviously in the pictures, because that was all wrapped around the sill panel, but yeah. That's part one of damage. I'll show you the other bit. Actually, no. He's already fixed part one. Hasn't even been, what, a couple of days? He's already got me a brand new door. Thanks, buddy. Alright, now the guard. The guard's, yeah, not really much at all. I'd put that back on the car myself. Can't help himself. but I'm extremely thankful. Don't ever get that wrong. So what else has been happening, mate? It's 45 degrees and you're in a shed that's probably 50.
Yeah, starting to load up with Drift's parts. Enjoying Dean Newcomb's pile.
Yeah, there's Dino's bloody stuff. Next you have Scotty Miller's stuff in here.
That's next week.
Yeah. So what's going on over here, mate?
Clearing out for Christmas. So, little engine bay touch-up job.
Yeah, wow.
Bare metal it. Was originally orange, this car. So, yeah, bare metal it, tidy it up.
Jeez.
Paint it white again.
Yeah, right. And any progress on yours? Or you just been focusing on customers, haven't you?
Yeah, I just blew it off. That's pretty much about it. Kept the dust off it.
So what do you got here, mate?
Black Mini, apparently.
What's happening with this one?
Full respray. A little bit of rust.
Yeah, right. Look how freaking mint it is. Are these things worth money now? I've got no idea. Is it like a rare thing? Or are these like pretty common? I've got no idea about minis. So I couldn't help but notice, mate, that the shop is looking very empty. Is that because you've got a heap of work out before Christmas, or you haven't booked all the new stuff in yet?
I've got a lot out, but I'm planning to keep the shop on the emptier side next year to be able to bring through smaller jobs. I do turn away a lot of the smaller jobs, which I'd like to sort of do now. There's a few race cars and stuff floating around I wouldn't mind putting my name on.
Right.
And the resto stuff that people bring me these days, all the good stuff's gone, so the quality of the cars I'm being presented aren't very good.
Yeah, fair enough. And have you got any restos here at the moment?
There's 4 under covers outside.
4?
Yeah, it's 4.
Jeez, alright. So you got plenty of work happening.
Yeah, there's plenty of work.
Yeah. So ideally, what sort of work are you looking for, just for everyone to know, in the YouTube world?
In the YouTube world? I'd like to be doing a couple big restos.
Yeah.
Full, proper rotisserie ones.
Yeah.
And then I wouldn't mind, drift cars and all in between, everyday cars and normal Skylines and CLVs. I don't mind doing the closed door resprays.
So don't be afraid to hit Luke up, but just please understand that he's extremely busy. He does all the office work on your own.
Yeah.
And
my wife helps with the invoicing, but I do all the phone calls and messaging.
So phone calls, messaging, that's also covering the Facebook page, Instagram, emails, everything you can think of.
All the parts, all the running around.
Yeah. Which hopefully next year is going to get a lot easier. So we've got a few ideas up our sleeve.
Yeah.
Well, you do. I'm just going to try and help a little. But yeah, that's and then I come in and bring all my damaged drift goods along with Dean and Scotty, just to make sure you're overloaded with work.
Nothing like getting a bit of itch up with some fiberglass.
Oh jeez, but can't thank you enough for all your support, mate.
No
it's extremely appreciated from obviously myself, Dean and Scotty. It's going to be a very big 2020 year for all of us, and thanks heaps for all your help, mate. The car obviously turned out amazing, as everyone has said on the channel, and huge credit to you, mate. So thanks heaps.
Thank you.
All right, guys, we're going to pretty much head straight back now. I've got a bit of work to do on Sonvia, but not real keen on doing anything in this heat. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back very soon.